July 2025, we're at Backford Bridge near Mollington Dip, Backford Dip, whichever one you call it. Shropshire Canal. It's burst further down behind us. The water's dropped about 18 inches to 2 foot. You can see the tide line there. This is a turning space for the boats, or a winding hole. And there's boats up there towards Ellesmere Port, trapped and lying on the side because the water's dropped quite significantly. But Canal and River Trust have blocked it off here with a dam, and it's holding back some of the water, but not all of it. They blocked the footpath off because it's just around that corner over there that it's come down, and there's another part of it. Looks like it's on the way out, but it's on the opposite side. It's a gully under the canal that's broke, and all the water's drained out. Further down we get to Telford's Quay and Telford's Warehouse. Quite a few boats must be stuck down there, and it'll be blocked off there as well. Thanks for watching. Might be a big job, don't know. They've got rid of most of the fish out of it, but you can still see bubbles where there's fish in it. Thanks for watching. Bye then.